to work, travailler. Okay, so here's what you've learned in the last few lessons. We're going through the verb travailler and conjugating it in all its forms. You've learned how to say I work, je travaille. You work, the informal you, tu travailles. He works, il travaille. She works, elle travaille. We work, nous travaillons. You work, vous travaillez. And we're going to learn how to say they work in this lesson. And in completing this verb, we're laying the groundwork for something really important, which will be in the next lesson after this one. Okay, so let's continue. They work. Remember, they in French is il or elle. Il if you're referring to a group of males or a mixed group of males and females. Elle if you're referring to only a group of females. And remember that the endings are the same. ENT for il or elle. So we take our infinitive travailler, remove the ER, you're left with the root travail, and then all you have to do is add the ENT. So if you want to say they work, it's going to be il travaille with the ENT or elle travaille with the ENT, which gives us il travaille, elle travaille. Notice the pronunciation. We're not pronouncing the consonants at the end. Il and travaille. Elle travaille. So we have they work. Il travaille. Elle travaille. 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 Remember, repeat as much as possible. The repetition quite simply helps you to build the skill in speaking. So if you want to have that skill, if you want it to flow, if you want to be fluent, fluent, repeat as much as possible. Il travaille, elle travaille. Okay, so let's put this all together with what you already know. The infinitive to work, travailler. They work. Elle travaille, il travaille. Here, ici, today, aujourd'hui, tomorrow, demain, a lot, beaucoup, too much, trop. So if you want to say, they work here, il travaille ici, or elle travaille ici. They work today, elle travaille aujourd'hui, il travaille aujourd'hui. They work tomorrow, elle travaille demain, il travaille demain. They work a lot. Elle travaille beaucoup. Il travaille beaucoup. They work too much. Elle travaille trop. Il travaille trop. All right, well, that's it for this lesson. To continue and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.